2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR ABS. We're taking a close look at the ferocious 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR ABS, a machine built for riders who live for the racetrack and demand championship-level performance. This is not just another leader-class superbike, it is Kawasaki's WorldSBK-inspired homologation special, engineered to push limits and dominate corners with aggressive new aerodynamics, race-focused upgrades, and elite-level electronics. The 2026 ZX-10RR ABS stands as one of the most serious superbikes on the planet. Aggressive new design and aerodynamics. For 2026, Kawasaki has given the Ninja ZX-10RR a sharper and more aggressive face, making it look even closer to its world superbike racing machine. The most noticeable upgrade is the addition of large external aerodynamic winglets that improve front-end stability during hard acceleration and high-speed riding. Kawasaki describes the bike as the next-generation Ninja, with a design focused on absolute performance and rider confidence. The front cowl now features a more aggressive nose, revised LED lighting, and a stronger racing presence that instantly commands attention. Riders on Reddit have already been debating the bold new winglet design, with many praising the improved TFT display and stronger MotoGP-inspired styling. Track-bred engine performance. At the heart of the 2026 Ninja ZX-10RR ABS sits a powerful 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four engine developed directly from Kawasaki's racing program. The RR version is tuned for higher revs and sharper throttle response, delivering around 197 horsepower and even more with ram air assistance. In some markets, special RR-exclusive internals such as lightweight titanium connecting rods and race-focused components help the engine rev faster and perform harder under extreme conditions. This is an engine built for aggressive corner exits, brutal straight-line speed, and serious track performance. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the power delivery to ensure maximum performance without sacrificing control. Advanced electronics and rider aids. Modern superbikes demand modern technology, and the 2026 ZX-10RR ABS delivers a full arsenal of rider-focused electronics. It includes Kawasaki cornering management function, traction control, launch control, engine brake control, power modes, cruise control, and a bidirectional quick shifter. The updated 5-inch full-color TFT display gives riders clearer access to settings and now supports smartphone connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation through Radiology, the app. The IMU-enhanced electronics package ensures the bike remains composed whether you are attacking corners or launching down a straight. RR exclusivity and racing DNA. What separates the ZX-10RR from the standard ZX-10RR is its pure racing intent. This machine is built as a homologation special, meaning it exists to meet racing regulations while giving riders access to genuine race-bred technology. Exclusive lightweight wheels, upgraded engine internals, and track-focused chassis refinements make the RR sharper, faster, and more focused than its sibling. It carries the DNA of Kawasaki's WorldSBK championship success, making it one of the most serious Japanese superbikes ever produced. This is not built for casual riding, it is built for riders who want the closest thing to a factory race bike. Final verdict. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR ABS is not designed to be comfortable, casual, or ordinary. It is built to win. It combines superbike aggression, championship-level engineering, cutting-edge electronics, and true racing heritage into one unforgettable machine for riders who crave precision, speed, and the thrill of absolute performance. The ZX-10RR ABS delivers an experience few motorcycles can match.